Take a look at this absolute work of art. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire from the front three-quarter view is simply breathtaking. The sweeping lines, the aggressive front grille, and those beautifully sculpted fenders give it a presence unlike anything else. Under the bright lights, the rustic light black paint glows with an almost liquid metal look, and every curve catches the reflections perfectly. This angle really shows off its wide stance and commanding road presence, reminding you why this is one of the most exclusive hypercars ever built. From the side profile, the La Voiture Noire looks long, sleek, and incredibly elegant. The continuous bodyline stretches unbroken from the front all the way to the rear, showing just how perfectly balanced its proportions are. The wheels fill the arches aggressively, and the low roofline gives it a sinister, almost predatory stance. This is not just a car, this is automotive sculpture, something you could stare at for hours and still find new details hidden in its design. Now, the rear three-quarter view is arguably where this car looks the most dramatic. The massive rear diffuser, the quad exhausts, and that single uninterrupted light strip across the back make it instantly recognizable. The way the roofline tapers into the rear is pure artistry. You can almost feel the power waiting to be unleashed just by looking at it. This is where Bugatti's design team really flexed their creative muscle, blending elegance and aggression into one perfect form. Sitting in the driver's seat of the La Voiture Noire is an experience like no other. You're surrounded by a cockpit that feels bespoke and futuristic. The steering wheel feels like a precision instrument. The digital cluster comes to life with crystal-clear graphics, and every surface you touch is leather, carbon fiber, or polished metal. It's not just a driving position. It's a command center for controlling one of the most powerful cars in the world. From this wider view, you can appreciate just how luxurious and well-crafted the entire cabin is. The seats look sculpted to perfection. The center console is clean and modern, and there's a sense of symmetry in the design that's almost calming. Even though this is a hypercar, it doesn't feel stripped out or harsh. It feels like a private jet cockpit on wheels, ready to take you on a high-speed journey in absolute comfort. Open up the rear deck and you're greeted with the beating heart of the La Voiture Noire, that quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Everything in here looks meticulously engineered and beautifully presented. You can see the carbon fiber surrounds, the polished piping, and the sheer size of this power plant. It's not just mechanical. It's an artwork, a reminder that this car is built to perform at a level very few others can match.